Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live and I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, the big story that we have for you this afternoon is the latest coming in as far as Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is concerned. Well, there seems to be a fresh rift within the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi, in fact, himself has pointed out that there is no shortage of leaders as far as the entry level in the Congress is concerned, but the roaring lions of Congress were chained. He also added that some netas of the Congress party work for the Bharatiya Janata Party even though they are currently within the Congress party, and Congress will not hesitate in sacking such leaders. Listen in.
तो अगर हमें रिश्ता बनाना है तो हमें दो काम करने हैं। पहला काम, ये जो दो ग्रुप्स हैं इनको अलग करना है सीधा। अगर हमें सख्त कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 लोगों को निकालना पड़ा, निकाल देना चाहिए। बीजेपी के लिए अंदर से काम कर रहे हो, चलो जाके देखते हैं, बाहर से काम करो। तुम्हारी वहां जगह नहीं बनेगी, बाहर फेंक देंगे तुम्हें। और जैसे ही अगर हमारा कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट हो, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी में नेताओं की कमी नहीं है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, ब्लॉक लेवल, सीनियर लेवल नेता हैं, बब्बरशेर हैं, मगर पीछे से चेन लगी हुई है और बब्बरशेर बंधे हुए हैं सब। एक बार मेरी मीटिंग हो रही थी, वहां पे शायद मध्य प्रदेश का डेलीगेशन था। एक कार्यकर्ता खड़ा हुआ, कहता है, राहुल जी आप एक काम कर दीजिए। मैंने कहा क्या? कहता है, दो तरीके के घोड़े होते हैं, एक होता है रेस का, एक होता है शादी का। कांग्रेस पार्टी रेस के घोड़े को बारात में डाल देती है और बारात के घोड़े को रेस में डाल देती है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Niyamika, two statements that Rahul Gandhi made clearly have led to a political issue as well, with the Bharatiya Janata Party raising several questions and also taking a dig at what Congress party's Rahul Gandhi had to say. I want to talk to you specifically about the analogy, race horse, wedding horse analogy that he made. What was he really referring to? And when he is saying that there are some within the Congress party who are actually working for the BJP, who is he referring to? Is he referring to Shashi Tharoor in some way? Because, we have seen some leaders in the recent past taking a dig at Shashi Tharoor as well, going by what he said a few days ago about his position within the Congress party.
Well, Rahul Gandhi hasn't named any leader in particular, but clearly he has given a hint to all the members of the Congress party that he is well aware of some of the leaders who, what he is alleging, are working for the BJP while being within the Congress party itself. As that was a strong remark which is being made by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, while speaking about his own party's decisions, as he has said, while giving a reference to the statement which was been given by one of the workers of the Congress party, that there are two types of horses. One who are being used for the racing purpose, while on the other side there are one type of horses who are being used for the wedding processions. So in particular, he has said that in the Congress party there are several of the decisions which are being taken in which the racing horses are being given the work of the wedding procession, while those who should be used for the wedding procession are being given the task of racing. So that clearly given a hint that there are some of the leaders within the Congress party who are not capable of the post which they are having right now within the organization. And Rahul Gandhi has said that it is very much needed that the change should be made within the organization itself. As in the past few months we have seen that how he has been continuously giving a reference saying that the Congress members needs to find out, needs to identify those who are basically the followers of the Congress ideology, and these people needs to be promoted within the organization. They need to be given certain posts within the organization, and that is why even the Congress party has also started focusing upon the strengthening of the organization at the grassroots level. Specifically, if we talk about Rahul Gandhi, then he is very much focused about the district Congress committees, and that is the only reason why a 3 days brainstorming session has also been called by the Congress High Command to, for the training purpose of the district Congress committees, because Rahul Gandhi in particular is now focusing upon the strengthening of the organization at the grassroots level. But whatever remarks he has given today, that is basically given an opportunity to the BJP, asking questions that whether he is not satisfied with the decisions which are being taken by the Congress High Command about the appointments which are being done within the organization, and that is why he is also questioning his own party leaders that they are working for the BJP. So clearly there is politics which has already been started about the statement which is being given by Rahul Gandhi, but clearly it shows that what kind of message he is trying to give, not just the party leaders of Gujarat but all across the country in various states, that he is also monitoring the situation of the
Interestingly,
Congress.
Niamika, this racehorse, wedding horse analogy of Rahul Gandhi is not new. In 2024 as well, in Gujarat only, he gave a similar kind of an analogy to explain the party's new, in fact, strategy in Gujarat to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. Stay with us, Niamika. In fact, BJP has also reacted. BJP's IT cell chief Amit Malviya took a jibe at Rahul Gandhi, posting on social media platform X. He says, and I quote, "The indefatigable Rahul is back," unquote. And we have some more reactions coming in from the BJP. Here's what Shehzad Poonawala said. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी ने गुजरात में अपने आप को और अपनी पार्टी को भयंकर ट्रोल किया है और भयंकर अपने आप को ही आईना दिखाने का काम किया है। राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि हमें गुजरात में चुनाव लड़ना ही नहीं चाहिए, हम गुजरात को रास्ता दिखा ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो बात बिल्कुल सच है, पर महाराष्ट्र में चुनाव हारे, हरियाणा में चुनाव हारे, दिल्ली में चुनाव हारे, अभी तक आपने उस पर क्या आत्मचिंतन किया? दूसरी बात कहते हैं कि हमारे कार्यकर्ता कुछ रेस के घोड़े हैं, उनको बारात में नचाते हैं, बारात के घोड़े को रेस में भेजते हैं। भाई अपने कार्यकर्ता को इंसान तो समझो, घोड़े समझ रहे हो आप? और ये रेस में दौड़ाने के बदले बारात में कौन घोड़े को भेज रहा है? क्या खड़गे जी के नेतृत्व पे सवाल है क्या?
किसको कहां किस जगह पे कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रोग्रेस के लिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी को वापस ताकत देने के लिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी को मजबूत करने के लिए सही जगह पे इस्तेमाल किया जाए।
आप उदास, क्योंकि आपको जिम्मेदार गुजरात दौरे पर जो राहुल जी गए, वहां पर आपको किसी ने ऑफिशियल इनविटेशन
जी,
आप ये भी कह रही हैं कि आपको रोका जा रहा है, तो क्या पार्टी के ही अंदर कोई ऐसे नेता हैं जो आपको रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आपकी लॉयल्टी पे सवाल खड़े कर रहे हैं, आपके परिवार की लॉयल्टी पर?
देखिए, लॉयल्टी का तो कहीं सवाल उठता ही नहीं। कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो कह सकता है कि अहमद पटेल शायद वो एक आखिरी इंसान होते जो कांग्रेस पार्टी में कोई ना बचता तो अहमद पटेल फिर भी टिके रहते। पर जी बिल्कुल ऐसे बहुत